Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Luis. Hi Diana Charles. Can you hear me? Can you see me or hear me? Say type Y or say yes. Okay, so all right. So as promised, um, I went to Europe as promised. I promised that I'll go for 10 days. So I came back tired and jet lagged, but I did it. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. It was tough, especially in June, in a period where everybody is traveling. The queue, the lines at the airport are crazy. Lisbon, oh my God, Paris, London, it's unbelievable. So the whole thing started with my initial flight from DC to Lisbon with a layover, a 1 hour. What was supposed to be just 1 hour in Toronto became a 24 hours of struggle uh, because the flight was delayed twice, and then I got an email that, oh, you can make it to your next flight. We have to reschedule. And we went to the terminal, and everybody was there. Some people got vouchers, and some, included me, we couldn't get vouchers. They said, okay, you have to find a hotel and yourself, and then when you submit the receipt for the hotel and the lodging and everything, accommodations, you reimburse. So, not, hopefully they will reimburse. I got recently got an email from them that they're going to reimburse. Thank you. Actually, Yuri, actually, I'm back. I'm back to the US. I got back, but I want to tell you some funny stories. Why I ended up in Helsinki, uh, Finland, almost at the border of Russia. I'll tell you guys in a few minutes. So in Toronto, um, so I spent the night. There was no, as I said in my previous video, no hotel available. So one Indian guy, my Uber driver, helped me because my international data wasn't working yet. So I finally got a hotel at 45 kilometers from Toronto, and so I slept there, and then the day after, spent the day on the phone with T-Mobile to try to get my data together, and then we got on board on the flight the following night for Lisbon. Lisbon was great. Actually, if I have to pick a country or a city among all the cities that I visited, I'll pick Lisbon. I just love it. The people are friendly. The food, the atmosphere, the whole thing is just welcoming. So I think I'll pick Lisbon. Even though I don't speak the language, I speak French, but in Lisbon, it's either Portuguese or a little bit of English. Some people speak English in Lisbon. A lot of British are relocating, but Portuguese, if you want to stay there, you have to learn some Portuguese. Okay, so after Lisbon, I went to London. Actually, I like the hotel in Lisbon. It's a new hotel. I give them a shout out. Very nice. It's part of the Euro. Um, what's the name of that brand? Euro Stars brand. Very nice hotel. In London, the hotel, I didn't like it much. It was too old for my taste and too small for my taste. But hey, this is London, nothing is, there is no cheap hotels in London. So, you have to take what you have. And Stockholm, I love the hotel also in Stockholm. And it's also a new hotel of the AC Marriott chain. Very nice. I give them a shout out as well. Very nice. I really love it. Okay, so in Stockholm, I forgot that my flight from Stockholm to Paris um, was going to be, there will be a layover in Helsinki. I forgot about it. I got shocked when I got to the board and I saw Helsinki. I was like, what? I'm not really Helsinki. Is it a real, you know, flight? But it was my flight. I had a 2 hour layover in Helsinki. So that picture I took it on the in the at the airport in Helsinki, but I wasn't shopping. There is a duty free stores behind me, but I didn't do any shopping. So any shopping there, I just had a 2 hour layover. I was able to grab some snacks and catch my flight to Paris. Okay, so when I got to Paris, I was so tired that they booked me in a taxi. I got in the taxi. I didn't pay attention that the taxi didn't have AC. The guy just rolled down the windows and started, chatting and all. After a while, I asked him, "Hey, do you have AC?" He was like, "No." Oh, like a black guy from the island somewhere. Um, I don't want to say, where he was from. But my point is, he had no gas in the car for AC to work. So he's like, "Oh, there is no AC. I don't have gas in my car in the AC. I don't have gas." Oh, okay. The live video keeps breaking. Is it the audio